Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do today is change out the trunk light bulb of a 2002 Saturn SL2. Here we go. First, you need to find where the bulb is, and it's right here. If I can focus it, all you gotta do is pull this down, slip the bulb in, and there you go. Let me show you. Mine got kind of bent, so there you go. Soft now. There's the bulb. Let me get this back in. Okay guys, I got it back in. Pretty easy. All you just gotta do is put it to the little hooks. There you go. And then, oh, I replaced it with the cool LED one. It actually saves gas for you guys. Like, not like a lot, but noticeable. But, they draw less power for the engine, like for the alternator. And it lasts over 15 years. This bulb is LEDs have come a long way, and they're so cheap now that it's very good, like more environmental, or what you should say. I mean, it's all good. It's a better bulb, it lasts longer, and it performs a lot better than incandescent. That's what I'm trying to say. So all you gotta do is put it like that, and there you go. Mine is kind of crooked because my clips broke, but yours should stay right in there like that. So I guess that's the end of this video. Oh, the bulb is, I believe it is a, well, I got Luid. I'm not sponsored by them, but I believe it was a, I'll just put it in the description. Okay, I guess see you guys next time on the channel.